Have you seen those videos saying HPV vaccine causes infertility? Let's stop there for 1 second. If that were true, major public health bodies across the world would not have recommended it, but they do. Because the evidence does not show that HPV vaccination causes infertility. WHO vaccine safety experts say available data does not support the link between the HPV vaccination and infertility. And CDC also says that HPV vaccination does not cause fertility problems. Now let's make this simple. This vaccine does not damage the ovaries, does not reduce the egg count, and does not damage the uterus. Its job is only this, to train the immune system to recognize high-risk HPV types before they start causing harmful changes in the cervix. And why does that matter so much? Because cervical cancer is serious. In 2022 alone, around 660,000 women were diagnosed with cervical cancer worldwide, and around 350,000 women died from it. WHO states that it is largely preventable through HPV vaccination and regular screening. In fact, the biggest fertility risk is not the vaccine. It is what can happen if the cervical disease develops later. CDC clearly states that treatment for HPV-related cancer can sometimes limit the ability to have children, and treatment for cervical pre-cancer can also affect the cervix and lead to pregnancy problems like preterm delivery. And this is not a small issue for India. IARC modeling found that introducing HPV vaccination in India could prevent almost 1 million cervical cancer cases over the lifetime of girls who are currently aged 10 years or younger. So no, HPV vaccination does not cause infertility. The real danger is when the fear spreads faster than facts. The girls miss protection against the cancers which can be prevented.